Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're now on part 4 of chapter 2, and we're going to make fillets. So first thing we do is go up to the fillet tool here, just click on it, it'll come up with a dialog, and we are on manual, and we want 2mm fillets. We want 2mm radius, and there's a full preview. It's sitting there, which makes it nice. And we want we want constant size. We don't want several different sizes. So once we've done that, all we do is click on the features. So here's this blue box here. We just click on the features we want to fill it. That's this. And you'll see the preview pop up as soon as I click on it. Click. And click. And rotate. This. Fillet this. Fillet this. Fillets are just rounding, by the way. It just rounds the edges. They're incredibly important for stress relief. I saw a senior project where the students had to make a NASA bed. Ooh, this is getting hard. It's getting hard to see. So I'm just going to go ahead and fillet those things for right now. I still have some more to do. But in fact, a good way to see what I've done and what I haven't done is to change my appearance to do this. Now I can see the soft edges, they're rounded. You can see the rounding. But the hard edges will show me a very distinct line, like this one right here is a line, and that one. These three things have yet to be filleted. Hit the fillet tool again, just go in and select them, click, 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 and we're done. Now, just to make sure I've done it correctly, I'm going to go up here and do a section view. And I want to rotate my section view around. Come on, there it is. Oh, come on, it's hard to grab. There. That's the section view I want to see to make sure everything that I wanted to fillet is filleted. It looks like it is. All the edges I wanted to round are all rounded. And let's get back to there. There's this center of the wheel, and it cuts right through the slot and everything. Okay. Fillets are really good for stress relief. Let's get back to an isometric view. There we go. And I'll turn off the section. Well, that's not a bad view right there. You see lots of sections. I'm viewing, I'm seeing lots of temporary axes too, so I can turn those off. So now it looks cleaner. So there's your section view of the finished wheel. Now we got a couple things to do yet. Material up here is unspecified. Right click on it, edit material. You got lots of material choices. And we don't want steel. I'm in steel, and in the steel menu I can click tons of material choices. Lots, as you can see from this menu. Aluminum, 6061. Okay, alloy. Okay, we're going to apply it. And I'm going to close it, apply and close. Did I already apply? There. Applied, close. Now I'm going to go over to the Evaluate tab and get the mass properties. And the density is really, really small. So how many grams per millimeter? Almost none. So we want to change this a little bit. And so we're in cubic millimeters and grams per cubic millimeter, things like that. Options. Let's make a couple more decimal places. I think that's what it will take. There. Yes, Indeed, we have the number of grams per cubic millimeter and the total number of grams and things like that. Now, remember earlier I showed you how to change that circular pattern. If you take 4 slots out, this mass properties will get heavier. I'm not going to do that. You know how to get into the evaluate tab now. You know how to look at the mass properties. You know how to change the number of slots, that circular pattern here. So the book tells you to do that. I've already shown you how to change the circular pattern. There's one hint I want to give you, and I'm going to call it part 5 for the homework problem. So I'm going to end this video here. Part 5 is a hint for the homework problem, and we'll take that up next time.